thinking I was going to have to rely on something like this as far as sucking.
Well, you've got the real PACKOUT princess in the house now.
And check out my new backpack pack.
It's you know we have one on the wall that's actually meant for this job.
Flip the switch.
Oh boy.
Watch. It cleans the crumbs out of my beard.
That's what the dog's for. You can put the dog up there on your beard. Or do you want to take it off?
I want to take it off. That's
okay. Okay.
But look, if I was trying to climb a ladder and I wanted to carry all my packouts,
I mean, I guess
this could totally work.
It could totally. It might hurt your back. You might have to go to the chiropractor after this. Can you set it down? Is it heavy?
What are we talking about in this video?
We're talking about bags.
Bags. It's time to talk about our sack.
I think you spent more on bags than I probably have on personal.
Absolutely not. How much did that one? I should wear a hat. How much did that one Michael Kors purse cost?
I don't know. Like
Hundreds?
Like 300.
This is like $129.
Yeah, and how much is that one?
I don't know. You bought it.
It was like
$59.
$50. And how much is that one?
These are $119 each.
Oh yeah, see look, the $119.
How many bags do I have? So all my bags equal one of yours?
Okay. Yeah, but I don't buy bags.
Who deserves, in the comment below, who deserves more purses? Me?
But
her? Or the fake PACKOUT princess?
We could get him one of those new, like, crossbody
Well,
ones.
in Europe, they call them bum bags.
But yeah, well.
Bum bags.
Apparently in America, we went from fanny packs to, like, chest packs.
Whatever. It's the natural digression of it.
I guess.
So it's backpack and bag day on the JakeOfALL. And I want to go over with you the bags. Now, I'm going to give you 2 disclaimers. One, this is one of the only items I've ever gotten for free from Milwaukee Tools.
Yep.
And that was because I showed up to one of their events and helped them out. So, boom, baby, and I wrecked it. And two.
Yes, sorry, I'm just looking at stuff.
I didn't realize my pen didn't have its condom on.
It's tip. It's missing
My
its
polka
tip.
pen. Okay, and 2, these are the bags that I have, that I want.
Or
I don't
that
have
you
the other
got as
bag.
a gift. I gave you one. This one I got you.
Right,
for
but I
Christmas.
actually wanted that, and it worked
Oh, you
really
did?
well.
Okay. Awesome.
Yeah. There's a bunch of other bags. We're going to go over them all, and I have a little piece of paper I've prepared.
Oh, wow.
So I'm going to, like, grab a piece of paper.
Okay.
So why don't you read them,
Okay.
and I'll tell you if I have them or not.
You want me to start from the top?
Yep.
Okay, so the 10-inch tote.
Totes. Okay, so these are totes.
Okay. So are they called totes because they're open top?
I guess so, right? Open top. Put tools in it. 10-inch tote. I don't have that one.
Okay. Then you have the 15-inch.
I have that one. I have 2 of them. I love them.
Wait, you just said that was the 10-inch tote.
No, I didn't.
Oh.
I said this was a tote. So these are the 15-inch totes. And
Okay,
this is
so there's a 10-inch, a 15-inch,
and
then there's a 20-inch.
right, so I'm going to go over that. So the 15-inch totes are what I love the best.
Okay,
because
this is the one you have.
the ones I have. Because look, I can put 2 and I have no wasted space.
Yeah.
If I take this off,
Yeah.
the 10-inch tote takes up the 2 squares on the top. Or a square. This.
Okay.
And then you have all this in the back that's wasted. And the 20-inch tote goes like this. I hate it.
Oh. So it slides
all
on
this-
this way?
Yeah.
That's weird.
All of this is wasted.
That's weird.
And it's really wide. This is perfect for putting a half PACKOUT on.
Yeah.
Like that stupid video intro.
Yes.
Put a half PACKOUT on it, throw it over your shoulder. I put I have a couple of the half PACKOUTs that have, it's on that one, that have electrical related items and bits.
Yeah.
Electrical here, and it's sort of redundant as my full PACKOUT, so if I'm doing a quick job over at my sister's or family members, I can slide it underneath this one and all my general purpose hardware along with all my tools. I have 2 of them set up, and we'll go into those, but let's go on to the next bag.
Okay, so you got the 10, 15, the 20, then you got the 15-inch backpack.
Okay, 15-inch backpack.
Which is that
This guy. All right, 15-inch backpack's PACKOUT compatible, and it's a backpack.
It's a backpack.
It's got a hardcover, and we're going to, PACKOUT Princess is going to grab the camera in a moment, and
Yep,
we're going to show
after
you
we
inside
go
of each
over
bag.
things,
So there's your backpack.
Okay, then we got the 15-inch tool bag.
15-inch tool bag. That's what Santa Claus, aka
PACKOUT Princess.
PACKOUT Princess, got me for Christmas, and this guy, if you wondered, can hold, and we saw in one of the videos, any nail guns and 16 gauge nailers, no problem.
Okay, so then there's also the 20-inch tool bag.
Okay, so 15-inch, right? We covered that. 20-inch works just like this. Looks like this, but goes this way. Again, wastes the backspace.
Okay.
I don't really like it. So you can put 2 of these on.
That's nice. Okay, the 11-inch tech bag.
Okay, the tech bag is super awesome. That is actually one I want, but you can see I have have a lot of stuff,
You
right?
do, and you don't, you're running out.
I'm running out of wall space, so I'm gonna have to start mounting these bags on the ceiling, which I was thinking the nail gun bag could totally hang from that thing.
Oh boy. Okay, then you've got the 15-inch cooler bag.
So the 15-inch cooler bag looks identical to this, with a give or take, right?
Oh, but it's
got
like
a strap
cooler.
handle and it's got the insulated side.
Oh, so it's like a lunchbox.
It's a really big lunchbox for obviously.
For all you hardworking men.
Not me.
Or
them.
women.
Them.
I didn't say you, I said them.
Your
Hardworking,
exact word.
hardworking
For
men.
all you hard work.
You aren't included in that.
Oh, okay, I'm not included. All right. What else do I have?
That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
That's the bags that I know of, if I'm wrong. So can I get the first controversial thing out of?
Okay, sure.
You guys all know, right? You know that what do we do? We sell stuff. What do we sell?
We sell 3D printed products.
Right. So the number one thing we get asked is how to put like a toilet onto a PACKOUT.
I mean, there's been some really silly stuff.
A fan, an RC car, you name it. Now, obviously, if you guys ever look up at the top, you know that there is a PACKOUT bracket for a lot of stuff. There's PACKOUT brackets for
Just gotta search around.
things like the radio. I am not knocking it. I love them. I have it. But you can put a lot of stuff in this bag. And everyone says, once you put the PACKOUT on this, right, you can't. What can't you do?
You can't do anything else.
You can't put anything on the top. Same thing with the bag.
Right. The bag has to be on the top.
But what's the advantage of the bag? I think it protects the tool more.
Yeah.
Obviously, if we put this like this, we can listen to it and we can roll our cart around. So there is that advantage. I'm not knocking it. I love the idea, and we have friends that sell this stuff. We agree with it. But if you're just looking to transport the stuff, these tool bags like this, with the
You know what I
zipper
like
lids,
about that one is that it has a zipper lid.
and guess what I'm using this for? Besides the nail guns.
We're gonna take it to the beach.
Beach bag. I can
And
hang.
you know what I've seen other people use? They use them as diaper bags.
Okay, I'm not doing that.
We don't have the kids.
Do me a favor. Grab me the cooler.
The cooler.
Is he cool, Doc? And I'm going to show you what my thought is, right? How this could be like perfect.
Okay. All right.
So let's pretend this one or the.
Look, it's got sand all over it.
Oh. Right. So let's pretend we're going to the beach.
Okay. What are you gonna put in here? Like snacks and stuff? Dry snacks?
Watch. What does the cooler not have?
It doesn't have a shoulder strap.
Doesn't have a shoulder strap. Now it does. Now the PACKOUT cooler has a shoulder strap.
I see that. That's pretty good looking. I mean, as long as you want to carry it.
So if you have the cooler, the PACKOUT cooler bag, or the tool bag, you can hook coolers, other PACKOUTs to the bottom of it. Super helpful.
I like it.
So
should we show people the insides of what they can put in there now? All right. All right, JakeOfALL, what you got for me?
Okay, so I have the 15-inch tool bag, which let's look at the outside. Let's pop it. Can I pop it, Jerry?
Okay.
I did it anyways. Okay, so it's the 48-22-8321. Okay, it's got a shoulder strap, hand straps, pull handle side on, and a pouch.
Got a pouch.
It's got reinforced
Well, you gotta turn it so I can see it.
stitching.
Yep.
Okay, and looks like we got a bag on this side. So we have two handles,
Can't you
shoulder
like
strap.
put stuff through here?
Yeah, you can clip things
And-
onto these. Looks like you can even go and do, I guess.
Maybe. I don't know.
Okay, let's look inside.
Okay.
So this one, we're keeping nail guns in, but if you look inside, it's got the same PACKOUT idea, rigid bottom, so stuff doesn't poke through, and no pouches. Unlike the tech bag and the totes, the inside of this is just raw dogging it. So, let's go on to the next one.
Okay.
Alright, let's do totes. I love these totes. If you look at my totes, there's dirt all over them.
What?
I use them. I know. This one, when I did that EV charger. So you can see I keep snake related pull, these little zipper bags. This is my bendy bit. Come on, comment below if you know what this is for. Typically that's hanging on there. Some of the extra stuff put in there. Meter. It's funny, somebody gave me crap about this meter. They said get a fluke. I said buy it for me. So then on this side we have pouches.
Pouches?
Yep. We got pouches on the outside lip and the inside lip. Plenty of places for pliers, plenty of places for screwdrivers. That wire honestly should go on the other side. Scrap wires, got poke saw, Then you got heavy duty rings, shoulder strap, tape measure, outside pockets. You can see I keep stuff like broken.
Wow.
That was good.
That might have worked. Ooh, you almost lost the bag.
I didn't lose anything.
Look, this one's got like little strappies on the front so you can
Yeah.
put rolls of tape and stuff.
Or, you know what those are actually for? There it is. It's for clamping long stuff like levels. So, yep.
No, that's what the level holder's for.
Well, right, but if you're carrying this in.
Okay.
So I have two of those. I'm not going to show both of those off. And let's look at the backpack.
Alright, switch it up for the backpack.
All right. So backpack, again, same hard bottom.
Yeah.
Okay. Tape measure.
Okay.
We got a nice pouch here that's spring loaded.
You keep moving it on me. I'm trying to show people. Stop moving.
Well, you're moving.
No, you're moving.
So you can put a cell phone in there. You can put a lot of big stuff in there.
A drink.
Padded straps, which is nice. You have the little support. I'm not gonna come off your shoulders strap.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I do like the way they did the red and black. Don't really know what that one's for, but you have a
Oh, so you
typical.
can hang it.
That's okay. That's a hanging one.
Maybe. I don't know.
Okay, right. Then you have these little. They're like Molly clips, but I don't think they're Molly standard. So we got the pocket on both sides, but we don't have a tape measure on both. It comes with this, which is great.
And we're back.
We are back. All right, so, whoop, right?
Yep.
Whoop. Obviously, this has a clip on it too, but then you just clip it back onto itself. Not itself, but this D-ring. I'm all thumbs today.
Dude, when I was making lunch, I stole like everything.
Whatever. Okay, so let's go on to the inside of it. So the front has this cool like armor shell. It's not 100.
Why is it empty, JakeOfALL?
Because I haven't done. I got it and I.
Jeez!
Oh, just like the people on the
It'll
internet.
give your viewer something else to complain
I
about.
know, right? Exactly. So we
Just
got.
kidding, internet viewers.
Okay, let's take it off.
That means you can't return it now.
4822 8301. All right. So we have a zipper pouch.
Okay.
Lifts up, plenty of silica. Okay.
But you're gonna have to turn that up later.
Then we got some Velcro ones and some open ones. So pliers, something smaller of that size, probably not a cell phone. Good place for screwdrivers. And then you've got this, which you can see this molded. It's
It's
gonna
hard to
basically your screwdrivers, whatever you put in here, aren't gonna be able to poke through that as easily.
Yeah.
Okay. Now for the big one. Look at all of
boy.
this.
This is like the Mac deck.
Okay, so we have a pocket there.
Okay, yep.
And then we have tons of these little pouches that you can put all the screwdrivers in. And then you can also obviously have your little bungee to keep them in place. Some hard pouches. Now that one's armored. That's perfect for like knife or a jab saw, as you can see. Or you can again use, these with those straps.
Let's turn it this way so we can see this way.
Okay.
Yeah, that's better.
So more of these bigger pouches, armored bottom, a zipper that is sort of expandable
Like a
pouch
lined
so you can
mesh.
see. Yep. More of the bungee cords and pouches. So this bag has a lot of people talking about it. What are the bags? That's it.
That's all the ones we have.
Okay, let's go ahead and let's switch back to that guy. Are you?
I'm back. I'm back.
We're back.
We're back. We're both
Okay,
back.
so this bag, I don't want to say controversy, but a lot of people go, I want this bag in the tech bag. The tech bag has a place for a laptop. You could put a laptop in here. I don't know where I would put it. Wouldn't put it here. A small one might be able to fit in the front pouch.
So maybe they need to make like a combo one.
They need one in between this. They need a pouch for a laptop that your
You can
pliers aren't
also
going to
put-
jab through
right.
your screen. The tech bag is awesome the way it's divided. It's perfect for like a PLC engineer, Honda and automation, Amazon type person that's going to have
Yeah.
a lot of the screwdrivers and stuff, and also probes and material. Probes.
Oh boy.
I know, just got you excited.
Woo!
Maybe the fake PACKOUT princess. No, I'm just kidding. But it's a good bag, and what I will probably do is convert this to be my general like electrical and low voltage. And then I do have a smaller laptop, so I can put an iPad in here, something like that. So when I want to do some tech related stuff, or if I'm just traveling and I want a Milwaukee backpack and I want to look like the Milwaukee nerd I am,
You could.
this could work well. And it's armored, it's heavy material. None of my bags have I broken yet. I've had,
I mean, you use that one a lot.
yeah, so these are the ones that I've gotten first, right? When I got into the PACKOUTs, I got the bottom unit, and then I got one of these bags. That's like the longest thing that I've had. And I've taken these around low voltage, standard consumer, voltage jobs, my own jobs, kitchen remodels, bathrooms, garage doors, automated blinds, yep, all that. And these are the bags that I like. I mean, you can see I've got, cable installer, cheap tools, crazy lock tools, everything in this that I would possibly want. Solder, keep a soldering iron.
So would you say that's your favorite bag then?
This is definitely my favorite bag.
What's your least favorite bag?
The backpack, but I don't use it, so I don't know. But I would say I originally didn't understand the point of that tool bag with no pouches, but being able to put the radios or the nail guns in it and just not having to worry about getting them to fit in the confines of the PACKOUT ammo can,
right,
and it having a shoulder strap. And then since we live in Florida, in the beach, I wouldn't mind having 2 of those, so maybe we get the one that's the cooler version. I don't know.
Okay.
But I love them. I love them all that I have. I do not like any of the half units. I don't like the wasted space on the back, and I don't like
20-inch
the 20-inch one. Yeah, I don't like how wide that is. So that's sort of where I stand bag-wise. I mean, you have a lot of bags and a lot of purposes.
I do, and I mean, every one of them has a different purpose and use. But I want to know from them what their look. You're dragging the silica packet.
The silica is in the way. Maybe.
I want to know from them what.
Could you bend over?
Yeah, no. I want to know from them what their favorite bag is.
I'm not getting those kinds of views. I don't know. Comment below.
Yeah.
If you have any of the bags.
Yeah.
Which ones you have.
And which one's your favorite?
And what do you like or not like about them? And then I guess let's get a favorite.
Yeah.
Are
and
we gonna
maybe
give them
what
away?
would be like a good one that Milwaukee could make up, like create.
What would you want bag-wise? Okay.
Yeah. Because like maybe they want like an over-the-shoulder one. Maybe they want like the bum bag one.
An over-the-shoulder bag holder?
Like you could like get your screws quickly out of.
So we could have the Milwaukee Tools Gen Z.
Yes, the over-the-shoulder bum bag fanny pack.
First we get the fake PACKOUT Princess, and now we have.
You know what?
Now we have ideas like that.
I bet you they make. I'm gonna look. I bet you somebody out there makes one.
A Milwaukee fanny pack.
A Milwaukee. Yes. Yes.
What do you guys?
I'm gonna look. I bet you I can find one.
We're gonna have to pick a winner, but are we gonna give somebody anything, or is this just a?
This is just a video. I don't have anything to give. I'm broke at this point.
Okay, let me know if you guys like my Crocs. But okay, all right.
Yeah.
So
we do have this to give away.
What is that?
Which was the. It's like the.
Oh, was the winner, wasn't it? Okay. Yeah, it's like the Packable Joey.
There you go.
Sorry, she was setting me up and I was going slow. Apparently I've been drinking. But yes, it's like the Packable Joey. Packable came out with this. It was a great idea. I think it was a joint venture. I don't know if it was all Pick My Packable, but it's a Packable product. First commercially available. I got the special edition one when he came out with it. I love to support, obviously we support ourselves, but we do support other creators. Packable came out with it. It's freaking awesome.
And now we're giving one away that's similar.
Yes, the
Curvanamic.
The Curvanamic one.
Yes.
Okay. Your turn.
Okay. What?
Your turn.
Oh gosh.
You pick.
Okay, I have to pick somebody who.
Yep, that says Packable.
Okay, here we go. All right, Daniel Miller, Packable Joey Jr.
All right, you screenshot and go ahead and comment.
Oh, you do want me to go ahead
Just
and comment?
do the comment.
Okay.
Just say email us orders that you're the winner of the blah blah blah.
Okay, I'll do that in a second because we're gonna finish up the video.
Okay.
So what are people supposed to do? Do we tell them what they're supposed to do?
No, they don't want to.
What?
Yeah, ever since they saw all the fake PACKOUT Princess.
When they saw the faux PACKOUT Princess, they're like, I'm out of here.
Knockoff Princess.
Yeah, well, the real thing is here. I am back. I'm PACKOUT Princess. You're
JakeOfALL.
And you guys should like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all
that
fun
good
stuff that people tell you to do.
And what's happening next week?
I don't know. Oh, we're gonna start the PACKOUT 101 series back up again.
We're gonna go over the Flex on Friday.
Oh boy.
Flex versus Milwaukee.
Here it goes. Dropping the big ball.
Let me know who you think should win. And let's pack out.
It's
you
time
tell
to
them
go.
bye.
All right.
Bye.
See you later.
I gotta go.
I'm walking towards you. Bye.
Bye.